Is she not here?
She lives in Washington. She has back class this afternoon.
Well, she was given permission to appear telephonically. She knew the date. Don't interrupt me. She knew the date and time set for this hearing.
That was part of some very tense exchanges between Las Cruces District Court Judge Douglas Driggers and sexual abuse victims yesterday.
We rescheduled this at the request of the state so that the victims could get an opportunity to appear and testify, and subsequent to that, the state requested they be allowed to appear by telephone, and that was granted. Understood?
And that was before Judge Driggers officially closed the case against former Las Cruces teacher Patrick Howard. It's a case 4 Investigates exposed earlier this year.
He admitted to sexually touching his female students in 2021, but Howard was released from probation years early and without notification to his victims.
New Mexico's Attorney General called on the New Mexico Supreme Court to intervene, and that brings us to what happened yesterday. 4 investigator Brittany Costello has more from Las Cruces.
The goal was to reinstate probation. The victims in this case wanted Howard to serve the full 5 years of probation they agreed upon in 2021. They also wanted the chance to speak to their abuser. And while they did get the opportunity for that today, Judge Driggers did not reinstate probation. In fact, he essentially said the state had its chance to speak up earlier this year. Today, victims of Patrick Howard begged Judge Driggers to make Howard serve out the remainder of his probation. One of the victim's civil attorneys spoke on her behalf.
The fact that his early release from probation is even being considered is not only absurd but offensive.
State prosecutors now believe the early termination of probation was against state law, saying people who plead guilty to sexual offenses have to serve 5 years minimum. It was part of the argument from the Attorney General, but Judge Driggers disagreed with that. Both Driggers and Howard's defense attorney say the state had a chance to make these arguments at the original probation termination hearing, and they didn't.
If I failed to raise an objection on behalf of Mr. Howard at some point during these proceedings, and then waited essentially 45 days to then try to raise that objection, I would be told too bad.
Again, Judge Driggers denied the state's motion to reinstate probation. That means Howard is off of probation. He was also granted a conditional discharge, which means these charges are essentially off of his record. Reporting in Las Cruces, Brittany Costello, KOB4.